Hello everybody and welcome back to the chateau. As you can probably tell, not just by the weather, but the birds and everything, spring has started. I mean, everything's flowering, stuff is growing, and with the amount of nature here, we know that's a problem. However, being organised, getting somewhere in advance is always helpful. So, it's sort of spring clean time because I need, well, I can open doors, do lots of stuff. I need to clear through and allow some of the little robots, like the vacuum cleaner, mop thing, and then in the garden. I need to clear through because it's good for the soul and the mind, clearing through, but also everything can be ready, because the best thing about having a chateau is impromptu last-minute parties, which are always a lot more difficult when you're in the middle of pulling them all apart. So, I've got to get on with the bedroom renovation, but how do I say that? There's not much partying going on in there at the moment. So, what we're going to do is we're going to sort out the downstairs of the house before I go back upstairs. I'm doing the repetitive stuff off camera for the bedroom suite before we can get on to the really fun, interesting stuff. It'll all come together quite quickly. And I need to do the last bits here because I want to be ready. I want spring to be enjoyable as opposed to loads of work. So, let's go on with it. I'd been hoping, as I bought exactly the same brand, it's all just going to be easy, but it's not, so a bit more mucking around while on a ladder, which I don't particularly like by myself. Might seem like a very insignificant job, but it's actually a complete pain because it's off the bridge, and of course I'm here by myself, so I've got no one on the ladder. That will light up this bridge when I'm trying to come in and out, and this little area back here. That is a great thing for security and safety. You don't want to slip off the bridge. Now I've got some more lighting to deal with. So, as happens nearly every year, because this place is extremely overgrown, is trees come down in the storms, or go into precarious areas, and this year was no different. Some big branches here, which of course took down my festoon lights, so you can see them that side, both this V. So now they're lying down here, so not only do I not have it lit up, can't cut the grass. So let's put this up again. So what have we got? Cable. So that cable appears to, don't know, that's not very good. Right, let's trace our way. So is this cable broken anywhere else? Does not appear to be. In fact, there's a previous join and still looking good. Yeah, alright. So if we just deal with the other end, I might not need to deal with any more cable. Right, this end. Why do I have a feeling? I think that probably so heavy it'll pull me off. Yep. I'm going to have to take the lights off the cable because there is no hope by myself and with my back at the moment I'm going to be able to lift that lot at the same time. Here. Well, that's significantly easier, isn't it? Whee! Right. Now let's... Come on. You're not still connected, are you? No. So what's your problem? Aha! Need more wire. But not much. quick trip to the workshop to get the right size little socket and ratchet and the cable ties for afterwards, the black cable ties. Hopefully this can, what was supposed to be a simple job, can get done in a second. First off, you need to take the you owe me money, snip snip, where's your fingers gone, 6,000, and get this lot down to, there we go, snip, and then done that up, so that's the connector. I distinctly feel this is such a fiddly job, it really is. And there we go, they're up. So I can now cut the grass, I'll be able to see things and hopefully that'll look nice. And yes, it's definitely a repeated thing, but it's the way life is. So yes, part of living in a chateau is doing the same job over and over again, because there's so many jobs and no matter how well you do them, they need doing again. So you must get very used to repetitiveness. So, on to another job. Right, my dining room, next job, and obviously not originally the dining room, originally the hallway in the centre of the house. But, well, it's not anymore, but it is the only room that goes from the front through to the back. So it is used as a hallway for my parties. So people come through, bathroom through there. That's the drawing room, the red panelled room. So in the winter, doesn't much get used as a dining room. It gets used as a work surface and you're running in and out and doing things and what have you. So I need to get some stuff away, but what I need to do is make it look like a dining room again. So I need to put some stuff away, but I need to get all of the wax and all the rest of it off the candelabras which were used at the party outside. So rather than burn nicely, they got a bit messy. Can I get... Oh, that's better. I do like it when it all comes off as one. Much better. Much more satisfying. Okay, so that, well, the bridge is now lit up, which means I can actually see if I'm using the back door, which is very, very important now. In the distance. See, you've always got to go and check out your work. Makes you feel better about it. And they are kind of, oh, there we go. Yeah, that bridge is now lit up. That is now safe. I'm happy. And my lights are back up. Out here, okay, there's a few out, that's fine. I can deal with that. I've got spares. And the chapel is all lovely and lit up over there. So now this is back to being welcoming and inviting. Happy days. We can't see me, but I'm happy because I've achieved something that's useful. I'm going to put in a few hours in this evening now, clearing out the gym and sorting out some bits and pieces which will be moved around from everywhere else. Then tomorrow I can get back onto that bedroom. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.